Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to get to make this cute glue gun holder quick and easy. Let's get into it. These are the items you'll need. They'll be listed below in the description box. So today I am going to make a glue gun holder with a couple of Dollar Tree items. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is weave the vinyl to go on the holder. So I think we're good. And it says, "I'm so crafty, I sweat glitter." And I'm gonna put the vinyl on the underside. So then, well, it won't be like this, but it'll be on here. Now I'm gonna use my transfer tape to transfer the vinyl onto the cutting glass. And I'm just cutting off the excess around the border so that it's easier to work with. And you want to make sure that it's kind of leveled and centered before you press it all the way down. Then you want to make sure that it is pressed down really good to the glass or whatever material that you're using so that it does not come up. Just making sure nothing is sticking up. So there we have that. And then I'm just going to do this here with 56,000. And I'm just lining it up, making sure it's all the way in the corner. And I'm just gonna set something on top just to weight that down. And then let that dry for a couple hours, and then we'll come back and take a look. So here is the finished look. Quick and easy. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button, comment below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next video.